Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about how to generate Sphinx documentation for Python code. We have a sample code for area calculator. Here we have three classes for different shapes. Dimensions are passed to these classes to calculate the area. Let's have a look at one of the shape. Each shape has its own area calculation method which will return its area. Python supports various types of docstring. As given in the Stack Overflow post, we have epitext, rest, Google, NumPy doc, etc. Sphinx supports restructured text format by default. We are using Google docstrings in this project. Sphinx has an extension which can help us to document these docstrings. Now let's begin the installation process. We can install Sphinx tool by using pip command. Just copy and paste it into your terminal. Once the installation is done, you can run this Sphinx build version command. If everything goes well, then you should be able to see the version number here. Now let's install the extension. As I told you, we will be using Google docstrings. So for that, Sphinx has an extension called Napoleon. We can install it. Now let's set up the Sphinx project. Before that, go to your project directory, create a project called docs, navigate to the docs folder. Here we can run the Sphinx quick start command. It will ask you series of questions like do you want to separate source and build directories? We will keep it default. Project name we need to put, author name, project release version, and the language we will keep default. You can see in the docs folder some build files are created. We also get some files like conf.py, index.rst, and the make file. Now to configure the Sphinx, you need to add some lines to this conf.py file. We have put the lines to put project root directory in the Python path. Also, we are putting some extensions. So this autodoc extension is to read your docstrings automatically, and the Napoleon extension we just installed for the Google docstrings. Now at this point, we need to generate RST source file for all the modules present in your project. For that, you can run the command Sphinx API doc. Then you need to give the -o flag, then the output path and the project root path, which is one folder back. So we put double dot, press enter. As you can see, it has created main.rst, shapes.rst, utils.rst, and modules.rst. You can open the modules.rst file to check whether all the modules are imported here. So we can see main, shapes, and utils modules are imported. We can open index.rst to import modules here. Once it is done, you can go back and type make HTML. As you can see, the HTML pages are created in this directory. You can navigate to build HTML, and we have this index.html file. Just open it. You can see the document has been created. All the models are present here. So if I go to the shapes package, you can see the class, the attributes, the return values, everything is listed here. Now if you want to see the source code from the document, we have extension called view code, which we can add in the conf.py file. So if you go back to the project, open the conf.py file, we will add extension, we'll save it, and we can run the make HTML again. Build is completed. We go back, and if we refresh the page, the source link has come. You can click on the link to see your source code. Sphinx also provides the customization for your HTML report. You can open the sphinx-themes.org. Here you will get a lot of themes which you can use in your project. For example, if I want to use the read the docs theme, you can open it and follow the instructions. So we need to install the Sphinx RTD theme package here. Copy, paste here. Once the installation is completed, we can add this line in our conf.py file. By default, the theme is Alabaster. We can change it to Sphinx RTD theme. Saving and I run the make HTML again. If you go back and refresh the page, you can see the entire theme is changed. You can also generate PDF documentation. For that, you just need to go in the terminal, type make latex PDF. As you can see, the output is created. You can go back to the build folder. Here one latex folder is created. As you can see, a PDF has been generated. We can also put a logo in your documentation. For that, just put your logo in the docs folder and copy these lines to your conf.py file. Then run make HTML again. As you can see, your home icon is now changed to your logo. So you can navigate back to your home using your icon. You can also put the same icon in your PDF version. For that, just go to the conf.py file and type latex underscore logo equals to the logo file name. Save it and run the latex PDF. So the PDF is generated. Here you can see the logo is added.